A bare infinitive is the base form of a verb without the word to. Today we focus on two special verbs, make and let, that always use bare infinitives. The pattern is simple, make or let plus a person plus the base verb with no to. Make him do, let her go. These verbs create different meanings we will explore. A bare infinitive means using the base verb without to. After make and let, we never add to before the next verb. The structure follows this exact pattern, make or let plus object plus base verb. She made him cry uses made plus him plus the base verb cry. No to infinitive appears anywhere in this pattern. Listen to these examples carefully. She made him cry, made forces someone to do something, they let her go, let gives permission. The teacher made the students study late. Force again, we let him use the computer, permission given. Notice the pattern stays the same every time. Make means force. Someone must do something they may not want. The boss made me work late. No choice given. Let means allow or permit. They let me leave early. Permission granted. Make creates obligation. Let creates freedom. This difference matters for meaning. They made us wait outside. Force applied. She let him drive her car. Permission given. The coach made the team practice hard. No escape from obligation. We let them stay late last night. Freedom allowed. Practice these patterns to remember the difference. Now practice with these sentences. Fill in make or let plus the correct verb form. Number 1, she blank me help her with the project. Number 2, they blank their kids play outside until sunset. Number 3, the manager blank him stay late for the meeting. Think about force versus permission. Here are the correct answers. Number 1, let me help. Permission fits. Number 2, let their kids play. Parents allow playing. Number 3, made him stay. Force applied. Number 4, let us use. Permission given. Number 5, made me finish. Obligation created. Review why each choice works. Remember these 3 rules. First, always use make or let plus object plus base verb. No to ever. Second, make equals force. The teacher made us study. Third, let equals allow. They let me leave early. Master these patterns and you control bare infinitives perfectly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.